From Active, I have the ice machine cleaner. Now, I don't know if I've told y'all or not, but we do not have our ice maker hooked up on our refrigerator because it's actually on the other side. And me personally, I never liked the taste of that ice. So we had an ice machine, which is now broken, but I had ordered this and now our ice machine doesn't work anymore. But this is the ice machine cleaner from Active. This helps to get rid of all of that gunk that can build up, like the minerals in ice machines, and also deodorizes it and helps to protect it. Maybe we should have gotten this sooner. Maybe it wouldn't have conked out on us as fast as it did. But hopefully I'm in the market for another ice machine. So I am looking. I do have a couple ones in mind that I've checked out on Amazon that I will more than likely get. So until then, we are going to just hold tight to this. And once we get the new one, we'll start using this to help to keep it clean and also to help keep it like nice and disinfected. You do have to dilute this like 4 ounces to a gallon, so this will last a super long time. Yes, 4 ounces of this to a gallon of water, and that will help to cleanse out your ice machines. So that's it, y'all. Nice.